Hey guys, Ronnie Young here. I was leaving and I come around the corner to this. And of course, yeah, it's metal. It's all metal. And I don't know if these got concrete in the bottom, but I want to make you guys a quick video. I'll pause it and I'll put all this in here and I'll show you it in there or whatever. But man, they kind of destroyed this thing. Why, I don't know. There's some plastic I can leave. I had to take it all, but yeah, I guess it was a washer. What's left of it. But it's gonna be a quick video. I think I'm gonna let it go about a minute and talk to you guys for a minute. If you guys are ever out about doing this stuff, just try to be quiet, respectful, yada yada. Keep some of this stuff over here. Then I'm trying to put on this side. I'm trying to put that big unit right there. But, you know, I didn't expect to find something else. There's a scrap bin up here that messes with all this stuff. I'm surprised he didn't see this already or whatnot. There's a bunch of wires. Wow. There's a whole lot of heavy. Whew. And I've heard there's a concrete base in the bottom. There is. They keep the plastic. But I'm gonna have to get my tailgate down. Alright, I'm gonna pause this, I'll show it to you guys. Hold on. Hey guys, Ronnie Young again. Here it is in the truck, ratchet strap ready, ratchet motor's about dead. Wanted to show you after I got in the truck, and I'll also tell you these big ratchet straps are freaking awesome. Well, I was expecting to get a full load, which I've been casting my metal in a little too soon, so I got a big backyard, and I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to go ahead and accumulate a little bit more. And I got these, the metal sticks to them, but it's concrete with metal. So yeah, I'm gonna use those. That strap. I'm gonna show you this, guys. And want to get the hell out of here. I don't even care about stripping the wires off. Just metal. Because it's a good 100 pounds. I lifted it up with ease. So yeah. Alright. Ronnie Young out. God bless. Like, subscribe. Take care. Hope you enjoy the videos tonight. 2 good scores. Alright. God bless. Bye.